Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and this is a fall tablescape collaboration. Our host is the Crafty Doll and Twanda's Blessed Life. Please check out their channels and the amazing creators in the playlist. Today I am doing a Thanksgiving table with navy blue. Fall Thanksgiving table. Starting out, Hobby Lobby Dash Hound plates for fall. A white plate. We got this after Christmas at home a few years ago. Dollar Tree charger plate. Amazon napkin, tablecloth, and table runner. I'll tell you something about this table runner. I doubled it because it was very narrow. If you're going to get this table runner, get two. The dough bowl is also from Amazon. Dollar Tree pumpkins. And this turkey I've had for years. Amazon lights, candles. Michael's for the candle holders. Dollar Tree wine glass. And Amazon silverware. That wraps up our table. All but this was also a Hobby Lobby garland. That wraps up where we got everything on our table. Oh, our cup was also Hobby Lobby and matches the plate.